This too is a unique question. I would like you guys to think over and do it half the way. Don't do the calculation part. Half the way you guys do it, especially the diagram and the description part. So till that point you guys do it. Post that we'll discuss and further do it. So at least the first half has to be done from your end. Try it. If you get it good, if not, it's okay. Okay, I hope you guys tried it. So we are talking about what happens to the force of gravity between two objects if the masses of both the objects are reduced to half and the distance is increased by 4 times. So we have the masses reduced. So let me draw them big. And the distance is increased. So I'm keeping them close. This is the initial condition. So this is C1. Here the mass is say M, capital M, and D. The second case would be this, wherein we have the first object and the second object reduced to half their values, and the distance is 4 times. So it will be almost something somewhere over there. So we have them being connected over here. Okay, now what should you do? Now we have to figure out the variables. I will take this as say 2a. Why is that I'm taking that? Because we need to reduce it to half. So this will become a. I'll take this as 2b. This will become b. And this as x. And here d will become 4x. Agree? Right? So this would be your capital M dash, small m dash, and this is d dash. So these are all the things given. Now we need to start with the statement. Let's consider objects of masses or mass. Okay, masses or mass 2a, m is equal to 2a, or m and small m and capital M and m, which are d meters apart. Now we'll tell let capital M be equal to 2a, then small m be equal to 2b, and we have d which is equal to x. Then it's given that new masses or mass, I guess, m dash is equal to a, because it's half of the initial value, so 2a by 2, which is a, while small m dash will be equal to small m by 2, that is 2b by 2, which is equal to b, and we have d dash, which is 4 times of d, so which is 4x. Right guys, so I hope everyone were able to do till here. Okay, then we have the working part. So wherein we have, let's consider as per universal law of gravity. What is that we're looking at? We are looking at F is equal to G capital M small m by d square. So what will be our F1? Our F1 would be G, m here is 2a, small m is 2b, and this is x to the power of 2. So just rearrange, get the numbers at one end. So 4, 2 into 2 is 4, GAB by x square, because all of this will get cancelled, is it not? And then we have F2, wherein A will become, the mass will become A over here, and this is B, and this would be 4x the whole square. And this would be G, no, I will take the number out. So 4 square is 16. So 1 by 16 into GAB into by x square. So what is that we have to find? We need to figure out F2 by F1. So that is 1 by 16 into GAB x square getting divided by a big bracket 4 times of GAB by x square, close the bracket, and this turns out to be 1 by 16 into GAB by x square into 1 by 4, right? We need to invert it. X square by GAB. So what gets cancelled? Pretty much all these terms. And what we left out is 1 by 64. So F2 is equal to F1 by 64. So what is happening? By reducing the masses of both the objects and increasing the distance by 4 times, we are able to see that, we got to see that, we are getting to see that the force is reduced to 1 by 64th times the initial force. Agree? So keyword over here is reduced 1 by 64th. We can underline those. And yes, this is your answer. Again, please understand for such questions, how much ever questions I do, this is the funda. You need to put a good diagram out there. Be smart enough to pick up variables when you are reducing things. Pick up variables which, when you get divided, right, will end up with one of it, like 1a, 1b. If you are increasing something, whatever variable you take, it's just a multiplication. That is not an issue. When you have to divide something, it's important to see to that you guys end up taking the coefficients of the variable to be something that will get divided and we will get 1. Okay, so everything else is quite simple. Everything else is presentation, writing the formula. Please copy till here. And the next part is a bit of calculation. Again, a good writing in this manner, a clear writing, you'll have things getting cancelled and you have the final answer.